Very fun experience, and the instructor was friendly and punctual. Although it is a little difficult to find, the place was clean, quiet, and had a restroom close by. The perfumes are labeled in both Chinese and English, but the course is taught in Cantonese Chinese only. The shop has more than 50 kinds of scents for customers to choose from. You can choose your 3 favorite scents, and then increase or decrease the amount according to your personal preference to mix the scent you like. There's a great selection of perfumes, the making process is simple, and the perfume packaging is beautiful. Overall, it was a very pleasant experience, and I would recommend it to my friends. There were many scents to choose from and we were giving a lot of time to explore different combinations. The staff was attentive and patient. All in all, the activity was fun and we highly recommend it. Got a ton of scent that could be chosen, quite an interesting experience. The product is really pretty. There are many different perfumes in the workshop. You can try each of them slowly, and then choose 2 to 3 perfumes to blend to make a unique perfume. The bottle can also be designed by the store with your own photo, which is very memorable. Value. Great experience and I recommend everyone go there. Easy to do and you can following step by step with teacher. So cool and I was very impressed. This perfume making experience was very unique and therapeutic. My friend and I enjoyed it a lot and the teacher was very insightful. The instructor explains carefully and has a wide variety of perfumes to choose from. The 2 children had a great time. The bottle design can be provided by students with photos or pictures, which is unique. The overall experience was good. At the beginning, I tried many different fragrances to find the scent I liked. The host also answered our questions carefully during the process. The perfume bottle can be customized with the pictures you provide. It is an activity that makes people very involved and forget their worries. This is my second time visiting this place. It is more spacious and comfortable than before. I really appreciate that the owner will check the draft with the customers before the class, and the arrangement is better than the original picture. I'm also very grateful for your patient answers and prudent advice to us who have difficulty making choices. My friends and I had a great time. Perfect for those who want to tailor-make perfume for self or as gift. Nice facilitator. The shop is smaller than expected, but there is enough space for making. The production process is interesting, there are many choices, but there are too many smells to smell all the smells, and the staff will introduce how to make it, but there may be 3 groups of people who are relatively busy, so they don't introduce too many fragrances, but you can slowly explore yourself if you are interested in the taste. If you have any questions, the staff will answer the questions. The staff is very polite and attentive when making perfumes and also introduces a lot of perfume knowledge. Perfume bottles can also be printed with photos of your choice to make them unique and memorable. The types of perfumes are particularly good and you can try out scents that are not available in the general market. There are more than 40 types of perfumes, the instructors provide careful guidance, and the perfume bottles can be printed with photos. I'm so happy that I can create my own favorite and unique flavor. The mixing process is very interesting, and the perfume bottles can even be printed with patterns provided by yourself, which is very enjoyable.